So children, see here, polygon means what? Polygon means a simple closed figure which is made up of line segments. What is that? A simple closed figure. A simple closed figure which is made up of line segments is called a polygon. Actually here polygon, this word came from that polygonia. So poly means many, gon means here gonia, or gon means here angles. So a simple closed figure which is made up of many sides as well as many angles. Okay, so that is called polygon. So here a simple closed figure I am saying, so already you know about that closed figure and open figure, about that simple closed figure also. So once again say that a simple closed figure means, actually here this is also a closed figure and this is also a closed figure, as well as we can take this is also a closed figure. Okay, but what is the difference? Okay, so here this is a closed figure but this is not made up of line segments, that's why we will not call this one as a polygon. Okay, so polygon means a simple closed figure which is made up of line segments, but here this is having here curved lines. Okay, but this is not having any line segments, no, so that's why this is not a polygon. This is not a polygon. But what about this one? Here this is a closed figure, so that is made up of line segments, so we can say that this is a polygon. Okay, and here this is also a polygon, but here a simple closed figure they are saying this is not a simple closed figure. Why? Because this is not a simple closed figure. When you observe that these two figures, here this is having, when you are starting from here, okay, at the ending point also same here. Okay, there are no any other intersecting points in this figure. Okay, but when you come to this one here, I am going to start from here. So 1, 2, 3. Here I am getting that one of the intersection point, after that it is meeting with that starting point. Okay, so here when you observe these two figures, this is having only starting point, ending point, here this one only. Okay, but here this figure is having here another intersecting point is there, no, here. So that's why we will call this one as a closed figure but not a simple closed figure. Okay, this is a closed figure and a simple closed figure. This is a closed figure but not a polygon. Okay, so polygon means what? A simple closed figure which is made up of line segments. Then we will call that one as a polygon. Okay, so here a polygon is having that line segments I am saying, no. So minimum number of line segments required to make a polygon. So what is the answer? How many line segments required? Minimum number of line segments required to form a polygon. Okay, so for example, if you take that only one line segment, is it possible to form here any closed figure? Okay, here only one line segment is there. Is there any closed figure there here? Closed figure not there, no? So if you take that two line segments, okay, when you are taking the two line segments, here is it a closed figure or open figure? This is open figure, not a closed figure, no? Okay, so by taking two line segments also not possible. Okay, so now I am going to take that one more line segment like this. Okay, like this one more line segment I taken. Now when you observe this figure, here this is a simple closed figure as well as this is made up of line segments. So here this is a closed figure only, no, that's why we are saying that is a simple closed figure, and this is made up of line segments. But this figure is made up of how many line segments? 3 line segments. So by taking one line segment, it is not possible to form a polygon, as well as by taking 2 line segments also it is not possible. So minimum number of line segments required to form a polygon is 3 line segments. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so minimum number of line segments are required to form a polygon, that is 3. So here a figure which is having 3 line segments, then we will call that figure as a triangle. We will call that figure as a triangle. Okay, so minimum number of line segments completed. So after that, After 3 we are having that 4 line segments. So 4 line segments there means we will call that one as a quadrilateral, no? So in that quadrilateral that is having so many names. A polygon which is having 4 line segments means that one we will call it as a quadrilateral. So here we can say, we can observe that square, rectangle, parallelogram, okay, so trapezium, those all comes under that quadrilaterals only, no? Okay, so after that, if that figure is made up of 5 line segments, we will call that one as pentagon. If that figure is made up of 6 line segments, we will call that one as hexagon, and so on. Okay, these all concepts we discussed in that polygons concept, no? So now here, why again you are discussing about this one, madam, means here first first figure in that polygons is a triangle. Okay, so we can say that a triangle is one of the polygon. Okay, so here now we will discuss about the concept triangles. Okay, so our concept is triangles, and in the same way congruent triangles. So before going to discuss about the congruent triangles, so first you have to learn about the triangles. What is the triangle? Okay, so just now from this one only you have one of the idea. Okay, so what is a triangle and how many types of triangles are there? Okay, after learn about that we will go for that congruent triangles. Is it clear? So here now we know about the triangle, no? So what is the definition for the triangle? Here triangle definition is a polygon which is made up of three line segments. Three line segments is called a triangle. Okay, so here this is the definition for the triangle, that is a polygon which is made up of only 3 line segments, then we will call that figure as a triangle. Okay, did you understand what is the definition of a triangle? Okay, so here minimum number of line segments required to form a polygon is 3 line segments. So a polygon which is made up of 3 line segments, that is called a triangle. Okay, now here so children observe here this figure, this is a triangle, no? So here we given that a naming also, that is ABC. So we will read this, we will call this triangle as triangle ABC. That one we can write like this, triangle ABC. Okay, so ABC is the name of that triangle. Now here we are saying that ABC, no? So here what are the sides? Sides, and we are saying here ABC, those are vertices. Next, angles. Okay, so here sides means a triangle is having 3 sides, no? So what are those sides? The first one is AB. So this is the representation of a side. Next, BC. Why? Because those are line segments only, no? So that's why. Next is CA. So here AB, BC, CA are the sides of the triangle. Okay, now here vertices. Vertices means the two lines, the intersection point of an intersection point of 2 line segments is called a vertex. Okay, so this is that intersection point of that these 2 line segments, no? So this intersecting points we will call it as the vertex. So in a triangle, how many vertices are there? 3 line segments there. So how many vertices are there? 3 vertices are there. So those 3 vertices are A, B, C. Capital letters you have to write. Okay, so A, B, C. Next, angles. Angles means so here the union of 2 rays or 2 sides. Here we are saying the union of 2 rays meet at that at a common point. Okay, so that this part is called, this region we will call it as angle now here. So, and in the same way here the union of these 2 rays as well as these 2 sides. So here this is also we will call it as angle. So here another angle is there, that is at C. So in a triangle how many angles are there? Yes, 3 angles are there. 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 vertices. So what are those angles? We know that how to write that angles also. Angle A, angle B, angle C. And in the same way another way also we can write now this one. That is angle ABC, angle BCA, angle CAB. Okay, so at that middle which letter is there? Angle is formed at that letter, no? So here angle is there at B, here C, here A. So ABC, three angles also covered, no, here. Is it clear to you? So these are the parts of that triangle. Now here interior points and exterior points. So the points which lies inside of the triangle, the points which lies inside of the triangle, we will call them as interior points of a triangle. Now exterior points means the points which lies outside of the triangle. Okay, and the points lies on a triangle means on the sides of a triangle. On the sides of a triangle, those are the points lies on the sides of a triangle, those are lies on the boundaries also, we can say that. Okay, so this is about the triangle. Now here in triangle ABC, here how to measure that perimeter and area. Okay, here onwards we can find that area and perimeter. So perimeter means what? The total length of the boundary of a figure. The total length of the boundary of the figure, which means the total length of that total line segments or sides of a triangle. That is called perimeter of a triangle. So here opposite to that vertex A, this side we will call it as a small a. Okay, we can represent that one with a small letter A. So opposite side to the vertex B, opposite side to the vertex B, we will write this one as small b. Okay, here capital letter, opposite side, sides represents with small letters. Okay, here A, B, C capitals, which one we written? Those are vertices. And now which one I am going to write? Those are small letters here. Okay, small letters represents that sides of a triangle. So here capital C, opposite side represents with a small c. Okay, represents with a small letter C. Okay, so here we will call that A, B, C are that sides of a triangle. Okay, now here perimeter. So perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle. So perimeter means what? Sum of all the sides of a triangle, which means we need to find the length of that, total length of that figure. Okay, total length of that figure means first we need to find the what is the length of this line segment AB and what is the length of BC, what is the length of CA. Okay, so after we have to add all the sides, all the lengths of the three sides also. So here perimeter of a triangle formula is sum of all sides. Sum of all sides or all three sides of a triangle. So this is the perimeter of a triangle. So what is that formula here? Perimeter is equals to sum of all the sides, no. So sum of all the sides means AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, so AB represents with that letter C, BC represents with A and CA represents with B. So here perimeter of a triangle formula is A plus B plus C. Is it clear? So this is the formula for that perimeter of a triangle. For example, here this is a 5 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters. Okay. Now here what is that length? Sorry, what is the perimeter of a triangle? Okay. So how we can find that? Yes, here A is equals to 4 plus B is equals to 5 plus C is equals to 3. So which is equals to 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. So 12 centimeters. Is it clear to you? So this is the formula we can use for that. What is the total length of that boundaries or else the perimeter of a triangle, anywhere we can say. So here what is the perimeter of a triangle means sum of all the three sides or all sides of a triangle. Okay, so that is called perimeter. So what is that formula here? A plus B plus C. Okay, now here we will see that formula for that area of a triangle. So here area of a triangle. Area means here this total figure occupies that how much place? Okay, how much space this one occupied, that is called area no here. So here area of a triangle, we have that two formulas. So the first one is area is equals to half BH, half into base into height, half into base into height. Okay, so here half into base into height, we can write it as a half BH. So this is that formula for that area of a triangle. So here base, which one is a base, madam? So for example here height means it should be lies from that vertex to opposite side only, no? Okay, so that is that height here. So height, if you stand straightly, then only you can measure your height. If you stand slantly, then we can't measure your height exactly, right? Yes or no? If you stand straightly like this means, then you can say that how much my height is, you can say. If I will stand slantly and I will ask you that how just measure my height vertically, is it possible to find? Not possible, no? So here I mean saying here, this is exactly we have to keep that straight one only. If you take like this means that is not a height. Okay, it should be a straight line. So here this is a straight line and this is a height. So AD. Is it clear to you? So here AD is a height. So AD is on which side here? AD lies on that which side here, that is BC. So here we can consider that BC is a base and AD is that height. Is it clear to you? And for example here A, B, C. Again straight line only I am taking, straight line again, that is passes from the vertex B. Passes from the vertex B. So here this is that height. Now here which one is the base? Yes, BD is there on that AC, no? So here AC is that base and here BD is that height. Okay, and in the same way if you take that C, E or something, CE is that base, then sorry, CE is that height, then which one is that base? Yes, AB is that base here. Is it clear to you? Okay, so here what is that formula to find that area of a triangle? That is area of a triangle is equals to half into base into height. Okay, for example here base is equals to 6 centimeters and height is equals to 12 centimeters. Then here area is equals to half into base is equals to 6 centimeters, height is equals to 12 centimeters. So 2, 6, 12. So 6, 6, 36 centimeters square. Why? Because here centimeters. So centimeters into centimeters is equals to centimeter square or square centimeters. Okay, anyway we can say that. So this in this way we can find that area of a triangle. We have that one more formula, that is here another formula, that is area of a triangle is equals to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So this is that another formula to find that area of a triangle. Okay, so here area of a triangle formula is the square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So who given this formula means this is given by Heron's. So we will call this one as a Heron's formula. Okay, we will call this one as a Heron's formula or formulae. Okay, so here what about that S here and what about that ABC? Already we know that small a, small b, small c, those all are the sides of a triangle, no? Okay, so here in a triangle ABC, small a, small b, small c are the sides of a triangle. And what about that S means here? S is equals to half of the perimeter of a triangle ABC. Okay, half of the perimeter of a triangle ABC. So what is the perimeter of a triangle here? That is A plus B plus C. That is the perimeter of a triangle, no? Half of the perimeter we are saying. So S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2, or this one only we can say 2S is equals to A plus B plus C. Is it clear to you? So that is the value of S here. So how to find the value here means first we need to find the value of Yes, so s is equals to a plus b plus c by 2, no, so we have to add that all the three sides, and here we have to take its half. So we have to take that half of the perimeter of a given triangle, so that is the value of s here. So s, substitute that value here, and ABC means the sides of a triangle. So after substituting those values here, you will get that area of a triangle. Who given this formula? Heron's. So we will call this formula as Heron's formula. Okay, so in this video we discussed about that polygon and triangle, as well as we discussed about that parts of a triangle. Next here we discussed about that here area of a triangle and previous perimeter of a triangle also we discussed, no. So in that next video we are going to discuss about that classification of triangles. Okay.